Welcome to GRDS1375. This is Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, and Adobe Photoshop. So, first video is just an overview of the class, what to expect, what you need to submit, provide in order to do well. So, you will need two things, besides your own laptop, obviously. A subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud and a subscription to LinkedIn Learning. So, Adobe Creative Cloud, they'll be happy to charge you money, but as part of the class, you get a free subscription while you're taking the class. You should have received an invitation from Adobe to sign up. You use your Lakeland email address to start the process, and it's generally pretty easy. You shouldn't have any trouble. If you do, let me know. But you will need to take care of this in order to do really anything in the class. The other thing, LinkedIn Learning, which same thing, they're going to want you to spend some money with them. Don't do it. You can get it for free through your library system. So if you do a search with whichever library system you live within, so whether it's Mentor, it's Chardon, it's Euclid, it's Mayfield, whatever, this search here I have Cuyahoga County. You could put your own location in, but it basically walks you through how to do it. And your libraries pay for access. Don't give LinkedIn Learning your own money. Let the libraries access get you in. Once you're in, you're going to need to do a search for Illustrator Essentials 2020 to match exactly with the question and answers you'll need to do. You may want to do 2024 just because it's the most current version of the software. There are differences. So the way the course works, you watch online tutorials which show you how to do general functions within the program. And then I post videos which show you how to do exercises, which specifically you need to do and submit to get credit for the course. So the tutorials, you're going to download these. This sheet gives you a breakdown on tutorial A. This is all based on LinkedIn Learning. And then there's a question and answer sheet. You fill these in. And the questions generally are chronological in order with the tutorial. So you fill those in, save those, and submit those. Those are worth 5 points each, and you can use them during the final exam. They're like a cheat sheet for the final exam. 5 points each. There's 4 of these for each class, each course. 3 courses, Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop. So that's 60 points. That's enough to change a letter grade. So they're important to do. All of the information is within Blackboard. So the syllabus is listed here. It'll give you a week-by-week breakdown of what we're doing. Course content reflects the syllabus. And then also, as you click on each week, it'll give you the tutorial. There wasn't anything else with week 1, week 2, Here's the tutorials, intro, exercise 1 material. If you click on that, that's what you need to download for the first exercise. I need to put my video for exercise 1 up here, which I'll do. But basically that's how the course works as far as mechanically. You're going to go to Blackboard, open up that week, look at the tutorials, download the exercise material, do the exercise, submit it. Okay, so as you go, there's your materials. All right, so that's the basics, how the class works. The exercises are graded, obviously, once you submit them. They increase in value as they get more complicated. So exercise 1 and 2 are 10 points, 3 and 4 are 20, 25 points, depending. So the early basic ones lay the groundwork to be able to do the more complicated ones down the road. If you have any questions, let me know. But basically, go to Blackboard. I'll have a video explaining how to do the exercise, download the materials, do the exercise, submit it, and we're on to the next week.